Happy Wednesday, scholars. If you have any questions, make sure to come to office hours today between 12:40 and 4 and bring any questions you have. Office hours on Friday will be from 11:30 to 12:50. So our learning target for today is I can consider a character's pressures and recognize their less likable and likable traits to understand them better. So the plan for today is we're to consider some pressures that characters face and how this can help us understand how the character makes decisions and their actions. So that's what our little cute poster paper is to consider characters and what they're trying to go through. So I thought I could do this with Katniss Everdeen because we're reading the Hunger Games as a class on Fridays, so I figured, why not? So some things about Katniss: that she's very loyal, loves her family, volunteered in her sister's place, also works with Ruth to keep her safe, very much like a loyal person, believes in caring for others, especially those who are more vulnerable or younger or just not capable. She's also kind of an introvert. She likes being alone, does not like being the center of attention. That's why the games are kind of interesting to see her in. She kind of grows in that position as the books go on. And she also just likes to be alone in the woods. She doesn't feel like she needs to bring anybody with her, but when she has others with her and they work together, she really hones in on what they can bring. Which goes to her next value that she has and trait is that she's very resourceful and clever. So she pretty much is like a survivor. She plans for survival. She's the main provider for her family, especially after her dad passing. This involved her having to grow up really fast. And Katniss can also be very stubborn. And you'll see this as the book goes out, carries on, and then especially how book 1 ends. I'm not saying anything because I am not going to give you guys spoilers. But very stubborn, and you're going to see that play out for sure. So when we're looking at our characters, you can, if you want to do like an internet picture like this and have some arrows, you can. Or if you want to just do in your notebook and have like Harry Potter, or depending on what book you're reading, this is another example. Like Harry, growing up alone, he grew up too fast, wanting to stop Malfoy, always continuous. Fear of not being strong enough, also just like the continuation of always feeling like he has to do things by himself. Another student did this example one year where they have their main character in the middle, their values and examples of those values playing through. And then it also has internal pressure, so going on what's inside of oneself, dog pressured, and family pressures. So sometimes we have different pressures, and even if you might feel the same way, they are carried onto us for different reasons. So today what I want you to do is to submit to Schoology for the character that you're reading in the story. Think about positive and negative decisions that a character has made and why they've made those decisions. Let me know if you have any questions, and stop by office hours and I can help you out. Have a great day. Bye.